Have you ever wondered what the F1 key on your keyboard is really for? In the context of using Excel 365, this key can actually be incredibly useful and is often underutilized by many users. The F1 key in Excel is primarily used as a shortcut to access Microsoft's help system. When you're working in Excel and need guidance on any feature or function, simply pressing F1 opens a dedicated help window called the Excel Help Hub. This is your gateway to thousands of free and official help documents, tutorials, and step-by-step instructions provided directly by Microsoft. Once the Help Hub window appears, you can type in keywords or phrases related to what you're trying to learn. For example, if you're looking for information about formatting numbers or dates in Excel, just type formatting into the search box. The system will then display a list of helpful resources, including topics and guides you can click on to dive deeper into your issue. This built-in support tool allows users to learn more effectively, solve problems as they arise, and explore features they might not have known existed. Whether you're dealing with data formatting, formulas, or chart creation, the help system is a fast and reliable way to access expert knowledge without leaving your workbook. By integrating the F1 key into your regular Excel workflow, you can save time and reduce frustration when encountering new or complex tasks. It is a shortcut that opens the door to continuous learning and better productivity within Excel 365. Take full advantage of this function next time you're in Excel. It's a simple keystroke, but it connects you with a powerful set of learning tools that can enhance your experience significantly.